In this video, we will be showing you the best drawing tablets to buy on Amazon today. So if you're looking for the best drawing tablets, we've got you covered. And as usual, we have the links to all the tablets mentioned in this video in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Equipped with a brilliant 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display with 16:10 corner-to-corner ratio, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 offers a fantastic user experience in both tablet and DX mode, with the keyboard case which is sold separately. The tablet is fast and can be used for both work, handling documents, answering emails, and so on, and fun, watching high-quality videos and enjoying incredible sound quality. The speed is fueled by an Octa-Core processor and supported by 64 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes of storage space, depending on the version you buy. Moreover, the tablet comes with an S Pen, a tool you can use to draw, sketch, or select. The cool thing about the pen is that it doesn't need charging. You can also use voice commands due to the far-field mics embedded in the tablet. This means you can use it to take calls, perform online searches, or play songs even if it's not within your reach. Overall, the Galaxy Tab S4 is a fantastic device to use wherever you want. Since it's portable, it only weighs 1.06 pounds and features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The battery will hold for up to 16 hours of video playback. Still, it may drain faster if you use the tablet for more demanding activities. Number 4. Huion Inspiroy Q11K. The Huion Inspiroy is a drawing tablet that plays in the best bang for the buck category. Retailing for just over $100, this wireless graphics drawing tablet delivers excellent performance and accuracy due to its high-quality, rechargeable PF150 stylus with 8192 pen pressure levels. The pen itself is very well designed, providing an almost ideal weight and size, while the Huion Inspiroy's wireless connectivity, 2.4 GHz wireless connection, provides a hassle-free, cableless work environment. The design of the tablet is ergonomic, ambidextrous, and delivers a natural drawing experience together with an excellent grip. The active area is generous, standing at 11 inches of actual drawing real estate, which is built using high-quality materials. There are 8 customizable shortcut keys to make your life easier, along with an inbuilt high-capacity 2500 mAh battery, which provides almost 2 days of autonomy on a single charge. The screen resolution stands at 5080 LPI, and the tablet comes with a report rate of 233 PPS. Number 3. Wacom Intuos. The Wacom Intuos can be best described as one of the best budget drawing tablets in the hood. Jokes aside, if you're on a tight budget, the Wacom Intuos is very easy to recommend, considering its under $100 price and the fact that it comes with free creative software, along with a battery-free pen, EMR technology, and 4096 pressure levels to deliver both control and precision. Speaking of free creative software, you'll have to first register your tablet after purchasing via Wacom's website, and then you can choose between 3 applications to download: Clip Studio Paint Pro, Corel Aftershot 3, and Corel Painter Essentials 6. The Wacom Intuos is built for enhancing creativity, and it's a perfect tool to have if you're into painting digital watercolors, drawing web art, or retouching or editing photos. Being the simplest and cheapest Wacom drawing tablet, you shouldn't expect miracles though. However, the Intuos comes with a pretty good pencil, which provides a natural feel and an overall great drawing experience, together with excellent portability and ambidextrous design. Obviously, there are no fancy features like tilt angle rotation sensitivity, zoom, pinch, multi-touch, or hand gestures. It's only you and a 4K pen. If you're looking for high-quality, no-nonsense graphic tablet, Wacom Intuos is one of the best drawing tablet for beginners. Number 2, XP Pen Artist 15.6. The XP Pen Artist 15.6 is a high-end piece of gear that allows you to paint, sketch, design, or even edit directly from the 15.6-inch IPS screen. Note that it's not a standalone tablet and must be used with a computer. The design is pretty interesting, as the tablet uses high-quality glass on top for offering improved precision and also to prevent dust from building up. Another great feature of the XP Pen Artist is the passive pen design, no batteries required, which provides industry-leading pressure sensitivity, 8,192 levels of instant pen pressure. The generous 15.6 inches wide display has full HD 1080p resolution and offers large viewing angles, 178 degrees, with great contrast and excellent color reproduction. Moreover, the tablet supports Ultra HD 4K external displays, if so required. In terms of connectivity, you have the latest USB Type-C port for blazing fast connections and sharp details. The tablet is compatible with both Mac and PC software, including major designer software bundles such as Clip Studio, Painter, Photoshop, GIMP, Krita, SAI, and others. If you're looking for one of the best drawing tablets with the screen out there, the XP Pen Artist would fit the bill perfectly. There are some minor flaws though. For example, there's no stand included in the bundle, and the matte surface screen is not as bright or colorful compared to glossy screens. However, the display's surface is great for painting and drawing. The pen pressure sensitivity is very responsive, making painting or drawing a pleasure. Number 1, Wacom Intuos Pro. The Wacom Intuos Pro is one of the best pressure-sensitive pen tablets out there, and it's built to deliver a responsive and fluid feel, excellent wireless connectivity, and good portability. This is one of the best tablets for drawing on the market, considering the price and features ratio, and it works both on PC and Mac. The Wacom Intuos Pro features tilt response, along with a brand new technology that delivers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, lag-free tracking, an 8.7-inch by 5.8-inch active area, customizable express keys, multi-touch gestures, radial menus, display toggle, and pen side switches. Being a professional-grade drawing tablet, Wacom Intuos Pro comes with an internal Bluetooth module for wireless connectivity, and it's built using premium materials, the likes of fiberglass composite resin and black anodized aluminum. In terms of connectivity, this tablet also offers a USB Type-C port along with Bluetooth. There are 8 customizable keys, which come pretty handy if you're using Adobe Photoshop, for example. There's also a round touch ring featuring a button in the middle, which can be customizable with 4 functions. The Intuos Pro is built like a tank, with a high-end feel, and it's very comfortable to use. The bottom panel is made of metal and has 2 rubberized feet for better grip. The front surface area is made of plastic, just like the pen, which features 2 customizable buttons. The pen's bottom portion works as an eraser, uses EMR technology, no batteries required, and it's extremely precise. Thanks for watching.